So in the James Webb, ever since the James Webb first went up, everywhere they look, right on the edge of what they're able to see, like farther than any galaxy, I think, or anything they keep, no matter where they point it, farther than any galaxy they can see, like clear near the edge of the observable universe, they see these weird red dots. No matter where they point the James Webb Telescope, when they do a deep field, they'll find way in the back, at the most distant, they're finding these red dots. They're like the most distant objects we can see. And everywhere we look, we see them. Well, at first they didn't know what they were, and it was kind of screwing with the cosmological model, but now they think they figured it out. And they're black hole stars. Like early on in the very early universe, when everything was much more dense, supermassive black holes, and whatnot. A lot of black holes would have so much dust around them that it would like just coalesce into a star. And there was just so much dust around the black hole that the rate that the black hole was eating the star was barely a fraction of how much dust was actually accumulated there. So all the dust and stuff would just cram in, and so you get this like giant star, way bigger than any star you'd see today. And instead of having like fission or fusion at its core, it would have a black hole it has a black hole at the core. And of course, because these stars have black holes, and I don't know if you technically call them stars, but that's the name they're giving them. But at the middle of them, the black hole is just like feeding so fast that these black hole stars, they only last a couple 100 million years, and that's why we can't find any closer to us than the farthest we can see in any direction. But that's what they're thinking, that we're actually dealing with. This is Black hole stars in the early universe were always theoretical. That was a theoretical thing for some time now, but thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we actually, I think, have good evidence that that's what these red dots we're seeing is black hole stars, aka quasi stars. So that was actually pretty interesting to learn.